All right, let's look at number 10. All question number 10 deals with the law of cosine. And how you know is that these are all side, side, side. Okay. And here you're trying to find the angle. Okay. The angle is from the picture's point of view. So you're going from this person's point of view. Right? So it is basically 90 squared. The reason why it's 90 squared here, it is because the opposite to the picture is the length of 90. Okay? That's what it is. Because it's going to be cosine theta. The theta is this part. Right? Okay. So we subtract the 57 squared and the 110 squared to both sides. Now we're going to divide. Okay, I divide because I'm trying to get the theta alone. Here's a cosine next to it, so I cosine inverse. So theta is basically cosine inverse of this. Okay, this is a standard equation. It's always the a squared minus a squared and c squared here, then divide by 2, whatever the two lengths are. Okay. Oops, sorry. This should be 110. Yeah. So this should be 110 here. Okay. This should be 110 down here because you're dividing by the 110. Okay. All right. So that should get you around 54.7 degrees, I believe, unless I divide this wrong. But that should what it would be here. This one is another law of cosine because you're given all three sides. Okay. Same thing here. The reason why the 12, it is the length here by itself is because that is the opposite to the angle in which the side ravine meets, which is this part right here. That's the angle in which the ravine and the side meet. Okay. Subtract over, divide, cosine inverse. That's what theta is. Use a calculator. You're going to get roughly, I think, 36.2 degrees. Okay, there you go.